Hello everyone. In last sessions, I taught concept of standard deviation, variance and coefficient of variance for individual and discrete type of data. Now in this lecture, how to find standard deviation variance for continuous type of data. So we have three categories: individual, discrete and continuous. And in continuous category, we have three concepts: direct method, three formula direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So as we can convert continuous data into discrete, so we can use same formula of discrete, first and second, and step deviation is different. So first method, direct method, formula is this. So I am copying this formula of direct method. And we have this continuous data. And first option is what? First option is direct method. So for direct method, we need what? X bar. First task is always X bar. So we will find X bar, and formula for X bar for this situation is what? Okay, so this is continuous data. So first we will convert into discrete form. So this interval 0 to 10, and this is frequency column. First we will find midpoint. We will take midpoint of 0 to 10. Midpoint is what? 5. This is 5. And next interval is 10 to 20. Between 10 to 20, middle value is what? 15. So all these middle values are considered as what? X. Now, as per formula of direct method, we need X bar. And as the data is converted into discrete, so X bar is equal to what? Summation Fx divided by summation F. So this value equals to what? This value is 1320, and this divided by frequency 44. So X bar is exactly 30. X bar is 30. Now what we will do with this? This is X bar, and your target is now X minus X bar. So you will create column for X minus X bar. So first value of X is what? This 5. And X bar is what? 30. So simply 5 minus 30 is equal to minus 25. And this 15 minus 30 is equal to minus 15. So we will get all these values of X minus X bar by subtracting 30 from these values. And after that, your target is X minus X bar square. So we will create formula column for X minus X bar square. This means square of all these values. Minus 25 square is 625 and 15 square is 225. And then this term is multiplied by F. So we will multiply this column X minus X bar square with this F column. So you will get this product. And then finally summation of this last column. This is 11100. Now we will put all these values in this formula. So this is 11100, and this quantity divided by sum of frequency, that is what? 44, and then it's under root. Then you will get, this is 11100 divided by 44. So this is 15.88. This is 15.88. And suppose you need to find its variance, then what you will do with this? You will find the square of this. This is considered as variance. So variance is what? Variance is square of this term. Square of this term means square of 15.88. So this is equals to 252.27. This is the variance. Now you can find coefficient of variance, coefficient of SD, as I taught in last lecture of discrete data set. So now we will see solution for this discrete data for shortcut method. So I am copying this formula once again. This is the formula for shortcut method. Okay, so for this shortcut method, first task you need D, and you have X already. In last case, we have already find this X value midpoint. Now you need D. For D you need A. A is what? Middle value from X column. So this is X column. So middle values are 25 or 35. No need to find highest plus lowest near about value. So simply you can take either 25 or 35. I am taking 25 as A. So this value is considered as what? A. And now you need to find D. So D equals to X minus A. First value of X is what? 5. So 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. This is 15 minus 25, this is minus 10. So this is column 40. Now as per this formula, you need D square, F into D square, F into D. So first we will find FD column. So this is the product of this D and this F, then you will get this FD. And summation of this column is considered as 222. This F 5, this D minus 20. So this into 5 is minus 100. Now you need FD square. So simply we will multiply this FD column with this D. So you will get this F into D square column. This means this minus 20 and minus 100, that is what? 2000. And summation of this column is considered as summation FD square. This is what? 12,200. Now we will put this formula. So this is how much? First FD square, this is 1220, 12,200, and summation F is 4,400, and this quantity divided by FD, this is 220, and this quantity again divided by 44, then we will take their squares and then under root. So you will see again same answer, 15.88. This is also from last method, direct method. So same, and variance calculation and coefficient of variance calculation same. Now next is what? Step deviation. This is little bit different. So I am copying this formula. For step deviation method. So first task always calculation of X midpoint. Now you need to prepare D dash. D dash is equal to what? X minus A upon I. So what is A? So A is always middle value. So again we are taking this A, this 25 as A, and I is what? Class interval. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, there is constant gap of 10. So I is equal to what? I is equal to, for this case, is 10. So we will find D dash by using formula X minus A upon I. So first value of X is 5. A is equal to 25 and I is equal to 10. So first calculation is based on 5 minus 25 upon 10. That is what? Minus 2. In that way, second is 15 minus 25 divided by 10. So you will get minus 1. In that way, you can find D dash. Now, as per formula, your requirement is F into D dash, F into D dash square. So you will find now next column for F into D dash. So F into D dash means product of this F column and this D dash column. Then you will get this F into D dash. This means this 5 into minus 2. This is minus 10. So you will get all these values in that way. Now summation of this column is F into D dash. This is what? 22. Now your next target is F into D dash square. So you will take this F D dash into this D dash. Then you will see this column F into D dash square. So product of this d dash and f d dash. So this is minus 2, this is minus 10, so this is 20. And that way you can find all these values. And summation of this column is considered as summation of f into d dash square. This means this value. Now we will put all these values in formula. So you will see this summation f d dash square is 122, and this quantity divided by 44 minus this f d dash is 22 divided by 4. Then we will find their squares, and then we will find their under roots, and this complete term is multiplied by 10i. So again you will see the same answer, which is 15.88. So you will see from all these methods you will get same answer, 15.88. This is 15.88. And first method, direct method, also 15.88. And formula for variance and coefficient of variance, coefficient of, as standard deviation is same as we have discussed in discrete type of it. So I hope you like this lecture. So please like and comment on my lecture. So in next lecture we will see mean deviation. So please subscribe and share my channel with others. Have a nice day. Thank you.